Welcome back to the channel. The 2025 Ford Maverick is back, and it's better than ever. This compact truck has taken the market by storm with its affordability, fuel efficiency, and practicality. But does the new model bring enough upgrades to stay ahead of the competition? Let's dive into the features, specs, and pricing of the 2025 Ford Maverick Automobile Fire. Ford has refined the Maverick's design, making it more rugged and modern. The 2025 model features a refreshed front grille, sharper LED headlights, and new alloy wheel designs. Plus, with exciting new color options, this truck stands out whether you're on the job site or cruising through the city. Step inside, and you'll find an upgraded cabin with a more premium feel. The Maverick now includes a standard 8-inch or available 12-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a new digital driver's display. Plus, for those who love convenience, Ford has added more storage compartments and an improved center console layout. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Maverick continues to offer multiple powertrain options. The standard 2.0L EcoBoost engine delivers around 250 horsepower, while the hybrid model provides excellent fuel efficiency at over 40 mpg in the city. Ford is also rumored to introduce an AWD hybrid option for those who want power and efficiency combined. Despite its compact size, the Maverick packs a punch when it comes to utility. With a maximum towing capacity of 4,000 pounds and a versatile flexbed system, this truck is built for work and play. Whether you need to haul equipment or go camping, the Maverick has you covered. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Ford Maverick, with Ford's Co-Pilot 360 suite featuring adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Now, let's talk pricing. The base model is expected to start at $24,995, making it one of the most affordable trucks on the market. Higher trims like the Lariat or Tremor edition with AWD and premium features could go up to $38,000. So, what do you think of the new 2025 Ford Maverick? Is it the best compact truck for the money? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome car content. See you in the next video.